Welcome back to Cryptos Are Us. I am George. We're all George. So, what is going on with Bitcoin and crypto? Today, we are seeing a sea of red across the board. Bitcoin is down about 4%. Ethereum is down about 6%. Solana and Avalanche both down near double digits, around 10%. So, what is going on? Well, I'm going to try to explain. First of all, there is one big event that's going on right now, and that is Bitcoin 2022. And that is actually why I'm not home, because I will be attending Bitcoin 2022. But, whenever there's big Bitcoin conferences like this, for whatever reason, the whales like to spoil the party. I looked at Bitcoin 2021, which was back in June of 2021. And sure enough, the same dates, we saw Bitcoin and entire market come down. And I was expecting differently this year because Bitcoin obviously has a lot more traction. There's a lot more things going for the entire market. But unfortunately, it seems like the whales may be doing the same thing. Last night, while I was traveling, I did notice Bitcoin come down from 46 down to about 45, and we're still around there. So we haven't gone down more, but unfortunately, the altcoins are selling off like crazy today, and I do believe a lot of it is just because of panic, because of FUD, retail investors. They're just panicking right now, right? But what do I always say? When there's panic, when there's blood in the streets, that's when you take advantage. I don't believe there's any reason why Avalanche, Solana, Polkadot, any of these guys should be down this much. Ethereum being down 6%, even Luna being down 6%. That's why I believe there are some games being played right now, and I believe you should not be panicking over this. We will pass this. We always do. Now, are there other things going on? Well, yeah, I was looking at the stock market. Obviously not open yet right now, but you can see the futures are quite red. And that's because people are preparing for the Fed minutes, which is going to be released this afternoon. Now, what is the Fed minutes? Well, Fed minutes is just a report, a summary of what was talked about by Fed Chair Powell and the FOMC meeting that was conducted last month. Unfortunately, I don't know why, but it takes a month before those the meeting notes gets released. So traders are antsy right now too, because they don't know what's going to come out. Quite honestly, it should be nothing, because everything that was said was already said. And the minutes doesn't contain really any new information, because we know that Powell has been more aggressive with his plan of attack. He did say that inflation was much too high, and it does seem like he wants to increase rates faster. But the minutes are not going to say that, because that was discussed last month. So I honestly don't know what is going to come out of the minutes report, but the traders are definitely trying to prepare for it, a little antsy about it, because you can see, yeah, things are in the red. Now, are there good news? Yes. And the reason why I believe that the FUD, the fear, will pass is simply because there is so much goodness with Bitcoin and crypto. I think a lot of people miss the fact that Terra and Do Kwon bought another 200 plus million of Bitcoin just yesterday. So Terra is still buying. In fact, they added 5,000 more Bitcoins to their balance sheet. And if you look at their wallet, now it contains over 35,000 Bitcoins and approximately $1.6 billion. So this is a $200 million plus purchase. And this comes right after MicroStrategy's $190 million purchase. And MicroStrategy actually has a lot more Bitcoin at 6 billion plus, right? So think about it. Think about it. Within a matter of a week, you have close to $500 million worth of purchase of Bitcoin, right? And this is just what we know of. Sure, these guys disclose. What about other people? They don't really come out. They don't come out every time they buy Bitcoin, and some are still staying hidden behind the scenes. So in terms of Bitcoin, its trajectory, its path right now, it's healthier than ever, and everything is pointing to a brighter future for Bitcoin and crypto overall. So the point of this video is not to panic. Things are not as bad as they seem, especially on days like today where it seems like everything is in the red. Now, to give more positive news, if you look at Bitcoin, even though it seems like it has collapsed, it is at 45,000 and it is still holding above this critical point of 44.5. Now, I say it's critical point because it has been a pretty hard resistance for Bitcoin to break. You could see back here, January of this year, and then also February and March, and recently we finally broke through it. But the thing is, on the flip side now, that resistance has turned support. And you can see that Bitcoin, yes, did fall to this very same point. Yes, the very same point. Not too long ago, about a week ago, and now we're testing that same point. So it's not like we have done anything unusual. And it's very positive that we are utilizing this 44.5 mark as a support. And if you look at the short-term indicators, even going all the way up to the 4-hour, it does seem like Bitcoin on these timescales from minute all the way to 4 hours, Bitcoin looks oversold. Even on a daily, it looks like it's about to become oversold. So from a TA perspective, it's very positive that Bitcoin is holding above this line, and Bitcoin does look oversold. So bottom line is this, like I said, do not panic, guys. Do not panic. Not every day will be green. Not every day will be positive. But you got to look at the fact that when there is panic and blood in the streets and people are looking to panic sell, these are the days to be picking up. These are the days that you wish or you are glad that you have cash on the side so that you can continue to DCA or pick up on these fantastic bargains when they are around. All right, guys, that's it for me. Stay tuned for my future video. I'm not sure if I'm going to be streaming tonight. I'm going to try to, but if not, still make sure you tune in for all my videos coming up this week. So smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys later.